We are here with these three people, and today we're going to be giving them each £250, but they have 5 minutes to get me the shoe that I want. And winner will get 20 quid, alright? You probably know what they are. Here's their top tags. So the rules are 8 and 8.5. Go 8 and 8.5. Can't go over budget, and you get 5 minutes each, and you can go. So 5 minutes starts now.
I know what I'm getting, and I'm gonna buy it myself after, because I'm a and shout out to Kaido. You man can't compete. I don't know if they're still there, I'm panicking. $220. They're up for $230, come on. $220. $220, yeah? Easy, and I've already won, it don't even matter. Free promo. Thank you, bro. Open it. Now TJ, bro nearly died, but he made it out. Come on. Alright, he's gonna hate me, I don't know why. I don't think he's gonna rate him. Alright, it's fine, because I'm gonna buy him off it. Right, there's no box. Where do you want them? There's no.
Jonesy's 5 minutes. Start.
Now, let's go, boys. I've got no idea. Right, well, you got any ideas? I've got none.
He was wearing.
Right, I'm thinking SB, but I don't know if we're in budget. I'm looking at 8.
Yeah,
Not the ones. We need an 8, 8.5.
I wish.
It's not looking good. It's not looking good, bro. No good. Whoa! Put that down.
8.5 over there. I don't know how much else.
8.5.
Far left. The high SB, high SB.
He don't want highs. 295 anyway. We're fucked. Move on. What are you saying? I've never seen these in my life.
TCs, man.
Dead stock. What are you saying?
I personally don't like them.
You don't like him?
He like them.
I think he will. He's a dunk skeezer. He likes the blue. A little bit of yellow. We're not messing about. Go on, mate. Can you do 220? Yeah. Yeah. The oars are a bit out of budget at 6,250, but considering it.
When the Apprentice takes off, it's coming that way.
It's going to need to seriously fucking take off for 6 bags. I'll get low.
Serious game.
We've got a box. A box is better than no box. And I've made 20 quid. Can't stitch this up with some fake cash. We're fucked. Here he jumps in. That'd be a good video. There we go. Look at that. I'm getting a nice bag as well. No shitty carrier bag. Cheers, mate. Job's a good one. I'm pretty happy with that. We went for dunks. We've got a pair of dunks, SBs, double win, rainbow box. These are, you know what, these are.
I don't even know what he's got me, man. I don't even know what he's got me.
Done a good job there, mate. We're coming home with the victory. I'm not going to say it, but we went for it and we got it.
Your 5 minutes starts out.
We're chilling, let's go. The beautiful bear. We negotiated him down. 235. Chilling. We caught some serious shit. It's me and Antonio.
We got to decide the winner now. 5 foot. This one yours.
That's for me.
Okay, nah. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad.
Grateful bloke.
It's not bad. Out of all the Air Max it could have been, best Air Max it could have been. Next. So I come in this.
No way you break.
Jonesy's done a fucking poor one there. That's a poor one there. You're in the lead so far here. Where's yours? Oh, wow, that's fucking out there, that is. That is an out there sneaker there.
Give me one some just shit first. Yeah. So this isn't even a contender.
That's
This is fucking woeful. I used to love these. I still do love them. I have no hate against them.
Yeah.
But this, I'm not even jumping on a 95
Yeah.
trade. I've been on these for a minute. See him up.
We're going 1-0 there.
This is an absolute MVP. We love this shoe.
Good shoe, good shoe. Thank you for your help, man.
No worries.
Come on.
If you don't like
You go with dunks?
Yeah.
We're on 1-1. I need 2 more people. Someone jump in. I need someone, man. Someone to vote. Yeah, I need you to vote.
It's a bit loud. Not really a bit of me, I'll be honest with you. Conditions good.
I don't know.
Yes.
Shout out my boys.
Shit.
I know where you bought these from. Shout out Jensen.
Yeah.
That's the guy.
Good shoe. Not the best though. I like the icy blue.
I do as well.
And I need your vote.
Right. I'm sorry. Anyone that likes these shoes, go in the bin. Terrible shoe. A JD shoe at best. Terrible shoe. These wins.
They win! Wow, I appreciate that. I appreciate it. I think you won.
That's fucking shitty 95.
Was that 2 votes?
Wait, I won. Yeah. I voted either. Bro, look at this. This is garbage. My vote's a scammer.
Any words?
Thank you, Kai, but I'm about to reinvest this back into those pink phones. I'm going to buy them off you. Is that right?
Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.
Follow me on TikTok.